Hello! In this section we will get to know how to achieve our goals according to the plan that we just did in framework of learning by doing together with our members and our leaders. So for this we are using a very simple tool which is called the calendar. And we have the things that we have initially. The project manager of outgoing marketing, the project manager of outgoing exchange GCDP, and another project manager of outgoing exchange GCDP. This is just an example, so it can be also used when you have just a functional team or one project manager in outgoing marketing and one project manager in outgoing exchange. What we are having as well is the breakdown weekly of our goals and activities. These are the same goals that we were discussing in the backwards planning movie. So, if we see our first week, we can see that actually we are starting with the meeting. This is the meeting which the vice president is having with his project managers in order to set the goals of 20 applications raised in the first week, and the project manager is having this meeting also on the same day with his team. This is just an example. You can have also the project meeting in a different day, but it is better if you set the goals either in the beginning or in the end of the week for the next week. We also decide that this week is the week of promotion, so everybody is included into promotion from the first week. And we have 3 days when we have activities for the promotion which we are executing together. At the same time, it is learning by doing, so we are also having the training for the new members in order to understand how to do the promotion correctly, and we decide that all the trainings during our learning by doing will be done during Wednesdays. We need to have the fixed meeting for our project managers and for our teams, which will be a rule for them, in order for them to work in the most efficient and structured way and set the goals for every week. After we have achieved during this week our 20 applications, we split the teams into promotion and selection. So the outgoing marketing team can continue doing promotion during these 3 days that we set for promotional activities, and the selection team can start selection during the 2 days. Why is it important that we have the team meeting before and training before the selection procedures? It's just because that on the evening before, you can actually call your applicants from the past week and invite them for the selectional activities. And this is the same thing which is happening during all the weeks. So all our members are aware that every week on Tuesday and Thursday, they have the selection process. Now we need to also raise our people. And if we want to raise them also in a very effective way and explain them how MyASICnet is working and how they can serve the system in order to search for the opportunities, we can invite the selected people from the interviews to 1 day raising process. In this day, we will be sitting in the office and waiting for them to come for a certain hour. In a certain hour, we'll explain them, all of them, how to use myasic.net, how to raise an EP form, and it will be even better if we can actually raise the form together with them directly there. So, our people are already raised. If we have the cooperations set before and we were promoting only cooperations, there is no problem in matching these people. But still not always we have cooperations for all our exchange participants. So when we have raised these people, we will have still around 4 weeks for each EP manager to match his exchange participants. It would be recommendable to assign the EP managers from the Teamsters who have been executing the selection process in these days, so that they can track their EPs starting from the very interview and until the point that they are actually getting realized. I really hope that this calendar will be useful for you, and if you have some questions, don't forget to approach me on this email address.